Hey, what's up, guys? This is Jason with Buddha Farms coming to you Tuesday, February 27th, 2018. Um, this afternoon, it's pretty much exactly 8 days since I planted these microgreens. I planted them last Monday, I believe the 18th, and then they say about 8 days in the right environment, they'll be ready to harvest. Most of them are. I think the sunflowers are going to give a little bit longer for. I think I packed them a little too tight, and I'll bring you down here to see that. But again, this is all just a learning process for me. I haven't done this before. I want to see how they do, how people like them. If they want them, I'll keep growing them. If they do well, all the better. So I'm going to bring you down here, guys, and show you what we got, and let you follow along. All right, guys, I got 3 separate flats here. This first one here was actually the slowest to get going. This is the peas. They just took the longest to germinate. They took the longest to actually spring up, but they've surpassed all of them. You can see they've probably the thing about the microgreens, as far as I know, is there's a, I think it's a Condalini stage, or I think I'm saying it right, but that first leaf that comes out of the sprout, and then you want the first true leaf, and these are already there. You actually have some tendrils actually starting to grow on these, so these are right ready to start harvesting. These are the radishes. I don't know if you can see it. We're going to show you once we harvest some of them, but the first set of leaves are definitely on there. They got a little split on there, so they're ready to go, nice and full. Long stems for both of these, and the sunflower right here, you can see it's a little mounded. So I don't know exactly what's up with it. I think I put too many of them in there. You know, the color's not exactly right. They're not lush green. What I did notice was a bunch of I think there's too many in there again, because a bunch of the some of them are like getting uprooted, and they're moving around a little bit, so don't know exactly what's going on there. There's no what is it, mildew or anything like that. I haven't seen anything on that front, but all in all, I think they're growing excellent. So I'm going to go ahead and push a couple of these over here, and I'm going to go ahead and start harvesting these pea seeds, or pea shoots. And from what I've other seen people doing was using either just a knife or a pair of scissors. So I'm going to try the scissor route and see how that works. And let's get in here and see what we got. Just grab a little bit from your hand here and start cutting. Toss some aside and just continue on. So that actually looks really good. Really, really nice. I like that. So we're gonna go ahead and harvest these up. Later on in the video, I'll probably come back, or I'll just post on there how much I got, and maybe a follow-up video of how they taste, what we're going to use them for. I know people use them for shakes and smoothies and different things like that, or just eating them straight up as a salad in their own. I hear they're pretty good. So, all right, guys, thanks for following, and I'll holler at y'all later. Bye.